Hi, my name is Sarah Bryson, and I'm from Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. The first land grants were in 1711, and the name Murrells Inlet was given in 1783 from the Murrells, the family. Some history about Murrells Inlet was that they had it dating back before the English started settling over here. There was Indian tribes here, and after that, then when the English started moving on to Murrells Inlet into the area through Georgetown all the way to North Myrtle Beach, they gave farmers that came over here king grants, and this is when land started forming and a lot of last names started being put in front of these plantations. Murrells Inlet is known for fishing, farming, and right now restaurants. After World War I, it was known in Murrells Inlet that the families moved out of Murrells Inlet and started moving more inland whenever it started developing along the Waccamaw, Little PD, and the ICW, which is the International Intercoastal Waterway. They started moving into areas like Marion, Conway, Plantersville. If you're from the area, it's Andrews and Florence and stuff like that. Now today, Murrells Inlet serves as a seafood capital, and there are restaurants that stretch along the inlet walkway. Every Murrells Inlet, every day in Murrells Inlet, there's harvesting fish on offshore and inshore charters. Two people that I like from Murrells Inlet, famous people that were in history just growing up learning about, was Anna Huntington. She was very famous for her sculptures, and she lived at Brooklyn Gardens. Another place that she stayed at was the Atalaya Castle in Huntington State Park. This is a pretty cool place. Apparently she had like all kind of animals and stuff living in the middle of her castle. She was really artsy, did a lot of sculptures. All through Brook Green is her sculptures. And then there was another person, Dr. Allard Flagg. That was his family and owned this plantation. It's Waccamaw or Wachesaw Plantation. It's in Waccamaw though. This is actually right down the road from where I live at, and it's very famous for being rice fields all through there. Back when slavery was there, this is where they all worked. This is especially known during the Civil War. There was a really bad fight here, and there's like grave sites all over the place. And it's just a very beautiful plantation, and still holds the history that it holds today. And then I have some pictures of me and Murrells Inlet fishing and on the river waterways, the ICW, and in Murrells Inlet right at the jetties.